Still having trouble lighting your video? Heavy gear, complicated tutorials, endless accessories, and all the cost? Don't worry, we're here for you. Maybe try this. And yes, it is small. Ditch the heavy gear and start filming. Introducing ZHIYUN MOLUS G60. Plug and play, light your subject with ease. Yes, it's very bright. All eyes will be on you. This light puts you in the spotlight and makes you a star right away. It's only 300 grams, the same weight as 2 smartphones. It's so lightweight, you can attach it anywhere. Accessories are available as well. Check out this amazing soft key light. It's absolutely perfect for live streams. Looking for more options? This light is no one-trick pony. With a dome diffusion, a softbox, and Bowens mount adapter, we've got you covered. Save money by using your existing Bowens accessories. With live mode, press once and all the lights turn on, allowing you to create a highly efficient home studio. Exterior night shoot, complicated action scenes? Introducing the MOLUS X100. Paired with a detachable side grip battery. Now small crews can take on large scenes. Creativity has no limits. Still think small form factor lights can't produce large output? Dynavort cooling technology provides stable temperature control, allowing a whopping output of 100 watts. With music mode turned on, lighting effects can be triggered by sound. Pair it with a G60, your own ingenious flair, and action. Go handheld with this light for an entire day with ease. Creating cinematic scenes has never been so simple. Fine-tune your color temperature and roll camera. Capture this light and put it in your pocket. A compact light with a big punch. ZHIYUN.